The art of simplicity, minimizing digital clutter, maximizing mindfulness in a world overflowing with notifications, endless tabs, and digital noise. Simplicity has become a rare form of wisdom. The art of simplifying our digital lives is not just about cleaning up storage or deleting unused apps. It is about reclaiming mental space, sharpening awareness, and rediscovering presence. 1. The weight of invisible clutter. Digital clutter accumulates quietly. Thousands of photos, chaotic inboxes, scattered notes, social media feeds, all of these form an invisible load on the mind. Even when we are not actively engaging with them, they occupy cognitive space, generating subtle stress and distraction. Simplicity begins with recognizing this burden. 2. The power of digital minimalism. Digital minimalism is the intentional practice of using technology with clarity and purpose. It asks, which tools actually support my well-being? Which platforms drain my energy without adding value? Where does my attention go when I'm not aware? By choosing fewer digital commitments, we create space for deeper focus, creativity, and peace. Some practices include decluttering the home screen, limiting social media apps, unsubscribing from unnecessary emails, removing redundant files, setting designated hours for online activity. Each small reduction frees the mind a little more. 3. Mindfulness. In the age of distraction, simplicity naturally leads to mindfulness. When distractions shrink, awareness expands. We begin to notice the breath, the body, the quietness between tasks, the subtle joys of daily life. Without constant digital interruption, life slows to its natural rhythm, steady, grounded, and human. 4. Creating digital rituals for a clearer mind. To cultivate mindfulness, intentional digital rituals can help. Morning clarity. Begin the day without screens for the first 30 minutes. Focus sessions. Use tech only for the task at hand. Evening digital sunset. Turn off devices 1 hour before sleeping. Weekly reset. Declutter files, apps, and tabs every weekend. These rituals transform technology from a source of overwhelm into a tool used with wisdom. 5. The joy of less. Simplicity is not deprivation. It is freedom from noise, from overwhelm, from the need to constantly respond and consume. The joy of less is more attention, more calm, more presence, more room for meaningful connections, more space for the soul to breathe in the absence of digital excess. We rediscover what it truly means to live. Conclusion. The art of simplicity is the art of returning to yourself. By minimizing digital clutter, we maximize mindfulness, clarity, and peace. In choosing less, we gain more awareness, more freedom, more life. If these teachings bring you benefit, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's spread the Dharma together to build a peaceful community for the modern age. Om Mani Padme Hum.